How you doing? Superior Inflatables. Richard, just call me Richard G, make it easy. Owner of Superior Inflatables, and we are working from home. Definitely taking all the concerns of this coronavirus. Yeah, I mean, concerned as everybody is here in California, and we're taking it seriously. We've set up our sewers to be able to work remotely, where in the factory, cutting, prepping, getting the orders ready, preparing orders to ship out, and we're cutting in the factory. We're delivering the cuts to our remote sewing stations, ready to sew the orders. And it's not pretty, but it's work in progress. And we're praying that this pandemic, comes and goes as fast as possible. We wish all of you health and safety. And but rest assured, at Superior Inflatables, we're still working. This is a giant 20-foot movie screen. I am doing the final stitch of the base. It's an outside stitch, and you guys can hang out with me while I do this stitch here. And let's talk about what's going on, man. It's because it's really crazy that we have this this virus sweeping our nations, across our world. Italy. You know what? Maybe I should tell you my last name. I'm Richard Salvatore Giammarinaro Jr. It's so Italian, I can't even say it right or pronounce it right 100% of the time. And so yeah, all my countrymen in Italy right now are having a hard time with this coronavirus, and we want to definitely wish them well and prayers. But how are you guys holding up? I mean, this is really going to affect the industry. I mean, praise God, we have orders from before the virus, and customers following through with their orders, because this will end. You know, there's no need to fear worst case scenario. So thankfully we have faithful customers that are going to follow through with their orders. They don't want to lose their deposits. but we take this very seriously. So all of our non-essential personnel, sales staff, designers, things like that, everybody's working from home. And there's technology that allows everybody to communicate. And you know, thankfully, this is a niche within the manufacturing industry that we can press on. Now, I'm still waiting to hear from the government. You guys need any help? Superior Inflatables. We sew and seal inflatables, or vinyl, plastics. You need something sewn, you come to Superior Inflatables. You need something sealed in the United States, you come to Superior Inflatables. Getting down to the end of this stitch here, and I really want to emphasize that if you're within this industry and your orders are being your rentals are being canceled, your contracts and things, don't despair. There's other ways to turn a buck right now with your inflatables. You know, be creative with what you got. Lend your services to the people around that need your help. And, you know, for a modest fee. Now, if you feel compelled to donate your services, you got a big heart. You have a really big heart. And if anybody out there needs help from Superior Inflatables, feel free to ask. Never hurts to ask. Anything within our ability to help within this country, we want to do it. And I want to thank you for your patronage, for keeping Superior Inflatables in business since 2003, where we have worked hard to build the best inflatables we can, to optimize your business, and through your feedback through the years, optimizing our business. We love you guys at Superior Inflatables. So we're going to continue to push out inflatables, and you never know. It's a very interesting time in our country. I mean, General Motors is put their hat in the ring to make ventilators. Who knows how this may evolve? Superior Inflatables. We do have a hand in other industries, working with other professions, and so you just never know. But it's amazing that we have everybody working together to stay home and keep our countrymen safe and women safe that aren't as healthy or have immune deficiencies or for whatever reason higher risk, and it's our job to protect them. And praise God that here in America, Superior Inflatables has the flexibility to roll with the punches. Continue to manufacture inflatables, service our customers, do repair, and not skip a beat. And are definitely willing to lend a helping hand to any other manufacturer out there who has questions about how we organized our process, our factory to remote location process. You know, it just seemed beneficial to separate into teams. God forbid somebody gets sick, that we're not getting everybody sick, and we're moving forward and we're staying in business, and we just want to thank you. We would not be Superior Inflatables. We would not be in business if it wasn't for you. We thank you, all customers. If you have need assistance, please reach out to us, and we'll do whatever we can do to help you out during this this difficult time. And please stay tuned for more videos, possibly a new YouTube page, backyard, inflatable manufacturing, something crazy. Yeah. I just, before we sign off, finished this closing stitch here, and I am super stoked because this right here, you would not believe, is probably, I don't know, a couple 100 pounds, 250 pounds of vinyl. It's the base. Our Fusion model inflatable projection screen. This is a 20-footer. This base right here is about 26 feet long, 28 feet long, and what is it? About 120 to 30 inches in width, and about 8 feet tall, and kind of in a triangle shape. But it's a lot of vinyl. It's a lot of base. But that's what makes us unusual and unique here at Superior Inflatables, is that we don't just settle for simple. We are ingenuitive, and the structure of this base allows a flawless pop-up. The screen, this 20-foot screen, is going to stand about 10 feet off the ground when this is finished. And I'm definitely going to show you guys the inflation test, so stay tuned.